Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight, because it is still technically night, it is 20 to 5 in the morning. We've been up since about 3 and we're heading to Belgium. And yes, I'm on the wrong side of my van. Oh,
there's a tiny tin man in the sand. I see a flower in his hand, greeting all the mighty waves to land. There's a little girl with golden hair, running free with no despair. And I wonder who has brought her here, into this playful place, this plain.
so here we go, first stop of the day, Weatherby service station.
I wanna sing, sing, sing in 1,000 ways.
So the next stop off will be in 3 hours, which will be Cambridge service station. Yeah, cheers.
There's a pretty picture in the sky, cloudy dolphins floating by. Just imagine how they play and hide. So let us call upon the force we keep within. Send our love away, invite the universe into this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing, sing, sing in 1,000 ways.
Well, we've made it to Cambridge services and oh my god, we are so far ahead. I expected to be about 2 hours behind by now, so we've left the house way too early. We got warned of holiday traffic, but it seems all the holiday traffic has been over the weekend and not bank holiday Monday. The roads are dead.
In 1,000 ways.
Obligatory McDonald's breakfast time. Get your hands off.
In 1,000 ways. In 1,000 ways. Invite the universe into this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing, sing, sing in 1,000 ways. In this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing, sing, sing in 1,000 ways. Into this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing, sing, sing in 1,000 ways. Wanna sing, sing.
And just like that, we're on the P&O ferry in one of the car decks. Yes, we're on the ferry this time and not the train.
Just look up.
Anyway, as I'm trying to say, welcome to P&O Club Lounge, where it's an all you care to eat, oh, get away from that, all you care to eat, all you care to drink.
Permiso, yo me voy a colar, ¿vale?
So with the club upgrade, you get access to the club lounge, comfy seats, and free drinks and food. By free, I mean you pay for the ticket, but you can have as much as you like when you get here.
Keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movies.
So there you are, we're on the ferry, we just had something to eat in the club lounge, and like I say, that is all you care to eat. You can keep going back, you can have as much as you like to drink, and getting photographs taken. I feel famous. Want my autograph? No. Emma fell over and she's sore. Anywho, yeah, I think I might go and get some more food. Well, we've decided to have a look around the P&O Liberty, and we're in duty free now. Well, we're back in the club lounge because, quite frankly, there's not much else to see on board the ship. There's a kids area, but obviously I couldn't go there and film a bar that you have to pay for, and a food court, and then some quiet lounges. But we decided to come with the one we've paid for. May as well. And just like that, France.
And the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes. Along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be. From the back of your dad's red truck.
Back in the van, waiting to disembark. And just like that, here we are, we're in the hotel in Ostend, and I've got to be careful where I point the camera, because I'm not wearing any pants. Hey! See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.